Hello friends, Wendy here. Welcome to another Clean With Me. Today I'm doing a weekday clean with us, actually. We're cleaning as a family. My husband and I both work full-time, and we do have a 13-year-old son who's very active in school activities. So dinner is really just whatever we can get on the table. And we do have this routine kind of down pat. We each have our roles. So while one person's packing away the food, the other's clearing the table, while the other's doing the dishes. Of course, it's my job to do the dishes, but I don't mind so much because everybody else is in the kitchen with me doing their job. So my husband's packing away the food, my son's clearing off the table. I kind of made it all sequential in this video, but it is all happening in parallel, and normally this process takes us about 30 minutes to clean up after dinner. And we do this every night. I can't even remember a night that we skipped cleaning up the kitchen. We like to keep it in a very clean state so that when we wake up in the morning, everything's ready to go. I made such the mess watching this baking sheet, but I really love this sheet because I think it's called like a full sheet. It fits the entire width of the oven, so I can get a lot of food cooked using this sheet. And here, my husband, he's drying off all of our dishes. We do this nightly, and we only got into the habit of this during this summer. And we did it because we had a really bad ant infestation. Apparently, the drought in California was so bad, the ants were going into houses just to get water. It was crazy. We couldn't even leave a glass of water on the table. Like, they would just find it and go get the water. I felt so bad for them, but I didn't really want them in my house. I was putting water outside, but they wouldn't go for it. So, yeah. Eventually it stopped. Once it finally rained, they stopped coming inside. But it was really bad for a really long time. This is probably my favorite part of our nightly routine, is getting to clean the sink and having it be empty for once. I can watch this part all day. This slow-mo of everything being rinsed out. It is so satisfying. I love a clean, shiny sink. Are you guys with me? We also have really hard water in California, so it's pretty necessary for me to dry the sink, otherwise it's just gonna have a bunch of white water marks everywhere. It's really ugly when that happens, so I really like to dry the sink just to make sure that it's nice and clean. And again, from those ants, we had to get into this habit, otherwise they would just be everywhere. I'm still a little traumatized by all of those ants. And here I am doing a quick vacuum. I don't vacuum every weeknight. This was a Wednesday, so it had been a couple days since the last vacuum. And you know, I'm a messy cook. I get stuff everywhere, and I don't know how, but my son and my husband seem to track in all sorts of dirt.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
So it's my son's job to clear off the table and wipe everything down. So here he's trying to do a really, really good job for you guys. How's he doing?
If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
So Wednesday means laundry at our house, and I probably do about 2 loads a week, usually one on Wednesday for sure, and then another on Sunday. Sometimes I'll have kind of a random load here and there, but our machine's pretty large and it you know, it fits our needs. And we don't treat any of our clothes really special or anything like that. Everything just goes into the same load, and the whites, the colors, they all get washed together. And I'm so proud. I finally figured out how to fold these fitted sheets. Am I the last one on the planet to learn how to fold these things? Now, since I had time and a little bit of energy left, I decided to do a little bit of dusting, and this is something that I normally reserve for the weekend, but it was something that I felt needed to be done, and I had the energy to do it, so I went ahead and did it. And that's pretty much it for our work week cleaning routine. Again, this is something we try to do every night, and it really keeps our house in order. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.